Today I'm going to teach you how to access Pyron's newest addition to our library center. It is called the Pyron Digital Library. With this feature, your child can access material anywhere that they are with access to internet. This means that during the summer they can be reading books from the library, and when they're at home during the year or when they're at school, they always have library materials at their fingertips, but they have to know how to access it first. So the first thing you need to do is go to Clarksville School District's website, and that is csdar.org for Clarksville School District Arkansas.org. You're going to go to that website, then you're going to go to Schools and go to Pyron. This is where you can go for any question you have about things going on at the school. This is a great resource for you. But today we're going to click on the Academics tab and go to Library Media Center. Now here we're at the Library Media Center website where Ms. Patterson can put out all kinds of information. If you want to know how to find a book within the walls of the library, you can go to the catalog here. But today we're going to click on Pyron Digital Library. Now today, this is the part that gets a little bit confusing for parents because I don't know my child's username or password. That's okay. They do. Every child in our school has a netbook that is issued to them. Most of them get on it daily. They should know their username and password. But if for any reason they don't, please contact your child's teacher. They would be very happy to help you. Username is usually typically the first name dot last name, and passwords are formulated to help children remember. But again, if they're not for sure, ask their teacher. Then I sign in and I'm here. I'm at the digital library. I have all these materials at my fingertips. And they're very easy to check out. You can come down, you can search for different books. There's a lot here. Whenever you find one that you want to check out, all you have to do is hover over the book up in the corner. If it is a gray color, it's checked out and you'll have to wait. But if it's that black and I click over and it says borrow, I click on it. And it now is where I can check it out. I can download it on my browser, or if I have a Kindle, I can download it onto that. I've done both, and they're very easy, very, very quick to download. Then I open it up, and it pops up, and I have great reading material for my child to prevent that reading slide where they lose that information and those skills over the summer. So I hope you and your child take advantage of this wonderful opportunity that our library has provided for you. Thank you.